Yeah, good day, everyone. My name is Abiola Yajumo, your growth and performance marketer. I'll be walking you through how I run my campaign. It's a live campaign which I'll be publishing for a client. Before I start any campaign, I always plan my campaign. We look at the budget. There's budget is 1 million, right? And the daily budget we have to divide it by 30. That's running for 30 days. That'll give me the minimum amount I can spend or the maximum amount I can spend daily on my campaign, which is 33,000 naira per day. And I want to run two campaigns, so like two campaigns simultaneously. Uh, so I divided it by two. So each campaign, we spend 16,000 naira every every day. And for my campaign, is a CLBT campaign, just engagement campaign. The objective is engagement. They want people to comment on their Instagram page rather, and also leave a comment. And the secondary objective is for people to subscribe to the Wing back to subscription on their phone. So it's a two-way leg. That's why I split my campaign into two. The objective one is traffic and one is engagement. And our placement will be mobile, field, and storage. For post for engagement. Our placement will be on Facebook and Instagram feeds, while the device we'll be targeting for subscription is a mobile. For engagement will be mobile and desktop. So far, we want people to engage, and we'll look at the key interest as well. The interest and much, just limited to what we limit it to the interest that relates to the business. On our call to action is learn more or send message. And the creative we'll be using creatives from the post, from their profile, from their page, creative from their page. That's what we've been looking at. And also the age, the age group we'll be targeting is 18 to 30. We don't really want that people don't really subscribe to Wingback Tone. So these are how I plan my campaign, and also give our messaging because creative I should have added creative, but they've already reduced the workload for me, and I will be using the post from the page. So let's get to the Meta Ads Manager, and this Meta Ads Manager they've run a campaign before. They've run a campaign before, so we're going to start by launching one of the campaign, which is the engagement. Let's launch the engagement uh, campaign first. Let's go. Um, if you are familiar with Meta Ads Manager, you have to familiar on your screen. You'll be seeing this. If you're using a desktop, if you're using a mobile, it might be different. So it's for this for desktop view. Also from a web view rather, or desktop view, anyone wants to call it, or laptop view, anyone wants to call it. So this is what you'll be seeing on your ads manager. You might not be seeing campaigns, right? Because if it is a new account, but if it's not a new account, your campaigns will be showing. So let's go ahead and create uh, a a new campaign. Um, our campaign objective is engagement. That's great. I love to have control over my settings over my campaign. So I'll go for manual engagement campaign. So let's rename it. It's CLBT Valentine campaign campaign. So the objective is engagement with already pick. We are using campaign objective because I'll be creating multiple ads right from their profile. So I'll be creating campaign objective. The budget is campaign objective. Yeah. So uh daily spent is 16,000 naira daily. So I did spend to the 16,000. Uh, the campaign is for a month, so we add 16,000 to this. So the daily budget, what be strategy? I want volume. I want high volume. I want the highest volume. Should I be scheduling my campaign? I won't be scheduling the campaign. It doesn't even give me the option to schedule to schedule the campaign. Will I be doing A/B test? No, I'm not doing A/B test. Let's move to the next campaign. So for this is where the dailies is a post engagement, right? Let me just use uh let's rename it CRBT, and let's look for a common nomenclature. Let's use let's just use Valentine's. Let's just use artist identity. That's what I want you to use to identify these assets at asset level. I want for engagement, I want Facebook, I want conversions should be on Instagram and Facebook. What I want is provide let's use profile visits or maximize number of page likes. I will prefer profile visits, right? Let's click on this on this Instagram. So we go to budget. We've already set the budget. Let's put the an end date, and end date will be March 11, and that's 30 days, so it's March 11. We go to the audience site. Let's edit. Put Nigeria. I think let's put Nigeria. I'll put Nigeria because I don't want to target Lagos, so let's just minimum. Um, let's just switch to uh let's click on this option. I don't really like these options, so I'll choose my audience. What we want to target is 18 to 40. Let's put it at 40. Is 40. Um, Gender male and female. Let's put male and female for gender. Then interests. That's where the work is. Our interest is engage shoppers, artists. Let's put engage shoppers. Want artists that are Afrobeat, lovers of Afrobeat. Uh-huh. That's again, we want music, lovers of music. Let's use piano. Let's try piano. Are you going to see that? I don't think so. So let's put music. Now let's put the video. I'm not supposed to see the video. Sorry. Let's put the video. Let's try the video. Lovers of the video. Let's put popular song. Popular songs. Let's put songs. Let's put interest in popular music. Let's add that. So I think I would like to leave my targeting, my detailed targeting, very small and minute. Let's go to placement. We've done objective, right? Let's go to placement. Let's go to placement. Should I save this audience? Let me just save this audience. Let's put audience and see how PT audience. So I'll save it to so if it performs well, that's what I'll be using. So let's go to placement. Let's edit placement because I want my placement to be Facebook and Instagram feeds. I don't want uh go to manual. I don't want so I don't want to purchase network, messenger, WhatsApp. So feeds I want profile. I don't want to explore, exclude stories. Do I want stories? I want engagement. So I don't really want story. I don't really want storage. Do I want Instagram stories? Well, we can check. We can check. But I don't really want to explore page. I want Instagram creators. Those are the two. Yeah, I don't really want search results. Uh, yeah. Let's put this. I'll monitor this. Subsequently, I'll do a video where I'm monitoring the metrics as well, monitoring this as well. So let's just leave it as it is. So we've got the this, and let's move to the art part, which is next. So for let's put serial BT. Um, uh, so I'll look at the post next. We're using existing post, that means post from there. Let's use this. We are using this as our first post. Let's name it as Valentine Trivia as our head. Okay, we are still processing the video. So from here, we already have. So what's else again? We don't need anything yet. So it's still the video is still processing. So from there, let's wait for the video to process. So for me, I can create across. I have so many. I'm using three creatives. So I can click on quick duplicate. So that will actually reduce my work as well. So let's use this. And these our Valentine's. So let's use our Valentine. So as a creative. Let's check this. Let's change the post and let's use this Valentine Trivia Challenge. And use Va Trivia Challenge. So that's it. So okay, we have to wait for it to review. This is done. This is done. We are waiting for this is done as well. This image creative. So this is done. Just finished uploading. We are waiting for this to complete. Okay, this is done. So all our creatives are set. Call to action is the profile page, right? Which is Instagram and Facebook. There isn't this, right? Um, we have all our creative sets because we are directing people to the profile and not a website. That's why we are not adding any link. And also, we are using posts that has already been uploaded on the page. That's why we are not adding primary text headline to it. So, I think that's it. I will launch our first engagement campaign. So for me to understand what this campaign is all about, so let me just change it to engagement. Engage. So because I'm running multiple campaigns, so for it's good to have a good nomenclature that you can always remember. So let's go through our ads. It's always advisable to go through your ad, the settings you've done on your ads, so as to cross check if you make any mistake. And yeah, because once you publish, there are some parts you can't just edit again. So let's just see. Let's see. So our BTV system post, like post account publish, which I have done. So let's click on publish. So we publish our first our first campaign.